Hi, it's Ben here with Safe Drive Solutions. And today we're going to talk about, can I install a dash camera in my EV or hybrid vehicle? The answer is yes, you can. We've performed installs into many of the vehicles on the market that are electric. Even as recently as yesterday, doing a Jeep Rubicon hybrid. So we take care of these vehicles, no problems. Do you have to wire it differently than a normal gas vehicle? Believe it or not, the majority of these electric or hybrid vehicles have the exact same wiring locations as a gas vehicle. There's absolutely no difference. At least 90% of the vehicles, the wiring is in the exact same spot. So it doesn't make anything overly complicated for us as technicians when we're doing installations. Big question too, everyone always asks, will it shorten my range getting a dash camera? No, it will not shorten your range by getting a dash camera. So a lot of people are concerned when it's recording while parked, is that killing my range? No, so there's typically a misunderstanding here with electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, and getting a dash camera. So you actually have two batteries on your vehicle. You have a battery that is your gas tank, which is your range, and then you have an accessory battery so that your vehicle can start, and it controls a lot of the many accessories on your vehicle. Personally, I've owned an electric vehicle now for 3 years, and I can say I have not seen any effect on range as a result of my dash camera. So, will it kill my battery? Good question. So, it will not kill your battery, depending on how you have it set up, right? Make sure you get a dash camera with low battery protection. This will shut down the dash camera as soon as it hits a certain set voltage to protect your battery. All right, all of the dash cameras we currently carry have that feature built in. Depending on the model, you can set it anywhere from 11.7 to 12.3 volts. We recommend 12 volts or higher, right? And even for electric vehicles, we do have OBDII adapters for the do-it-yourself installers. And if you have a hybrid vehicle, the normal gas version OBDII plug will actually work and support that vehicle. But in conclusion, if you want to install dash camera into your EV, find a trusted shop. Ask if they've done any electric vehicles for a dash cam install. Do their dash cameras have low battery protection? And if you cannot find a trusted shop, ask your car dealer who they recommend. Because at the end of the day, the car dealer doesn't want to have any headaches, and you don't want any headaches when it comes to warranty, right? And that brings up a good question. Will it void your warranty? No, it will not void your warranty on your electric vehicle. As long as the only thing that would ever go wrong is if somebody who did the installation did something wrong on the install themselves, well then they're most likely going to have to pay a bill for that repair or whatever they broke, etc. But yeah, if you have any questions at all regarding electric vehicles, like I said, I've owned one for 3 years. Feel free to reach out, leave some comments down below. Cheers.